Hello everyone and Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that piano cover of Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. That arrangement was based off of the version by Sam Smith. If you enjoyed this cover and you want to support me, there's a few ways you can do that. Number one, super easy, give this video a like. Number two, let me know down in the comments that you enjoyed this video. It really means a lot to me and I love reading through all your comments. Number three, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And number four, you can also share this video with others, whether that's on social media or with just some friends and family. That would really help support me and my channel. All right, best wishes to you all and have a merry little Christmas.